Alright, so this is your beginner FMC competing tutorial. I'm really bad at FMC, but this was my second time competing, and there is like one tutorial on YouTube that shows you how to compete. So yeah, let me explain. So the delegate will give you a scramble sheet, a sheet where you a blank sheet, and a sheet where you put your solution. In most comps, it's like you have the scramble sheet and the sheet where you should put your solution in one sheet, But yeah, this was different. You got two sheets, but yeah, and a blank sheet. On the blank sheet, you can write anything you want. You can even draw on it. You don't have to even put your FMC solution. Don't draw on the scramble sheet or where on the sheet that you put your solution in. So basically, you have 80 moves to solve your cube, at most 80 moves, but your goal is to have as least moves as you can, and basically it starts like this. You bring one and most 3 cubes to your table. You bring your water bottle if you're thirsty, and yeah, you have a stopwatch on your table, which you start when the delegate says 3, 2, 1, and when it says go, then you start the stopwatch to see if you have enough time. You have 1 hour to figure out your solution, and yeah. So on the blank sheet you can write all your solutions, all your ideas that you have, and yeah, when you're done, then please double check your solution. Make sure it's not a DNF, alright? Matter of fact, quadruple check it, alright? 4 times check it, 8 times even, so many times, check it as many times as you want, and then when you're sure that it's not a DNF, then copy your solution to the sheet where you put your solution. You can do one move per the line or whatever it is, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, you can only use the standard notation, which is R, U, F, D, B, L, prime, no wide moves or slash moves, yeah. So yeah, anything, if there are any questions, please comment it. I will answer it, Also, while recording this, I got a 35 move solution, which puts me in NR 11, so yeah, that's pretty good for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it.